Hey everyone, how's it going? So today I'll be making two custom Joy-Cons for someone who is very special to me. I chose two broken Joy-Cons. This one has a broken ZR button, and I'm sure something else as well, and it has missing rubber on the analog stick. This one doesn't seem to have anything wrong with it, but I'm sure I'll find something. So yeah, I'll be testing them, then I'll be repairing them, and I'll be customizing them. This is my personal Nintendo Switch. So, control buttons. Okay. Seems alright. Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm supposed to swap it. Yeah, this one doesn't work. Okay, this analog seems to be doing okay. And this one is drifting as well. So let's begin disassembling the Joy-Cons, and I'll start with the right one. I can see some pieces of the button in here. I just grabbed one, so I'm expecting the button under here to be absolutely shredded. So yeah, I can actually see that this is basically broken. It would probably still work as a button. I can feel it pressing. Can you hear it click? I don't think I have a replacement for this, so I'll just be soldering a new button on. I'll be finding a replacement button. I think this should work just fine.
Epic Disassembly footage.
Subscribe and click the notification bell for more high quality content. So as a first modification, I'm going to be replacing the plastic lock for the Joy-Con with a metal one. So the colors that we'll be using today are baby blue and pastel pink. I have some off-white buttons and some white thumbsticks. So we're gonna start off with the right one, but first I have to modify the LED strips. So what I'll be doing is essentially I have to change the LEDs of the original strips from green to either white or pink and blue. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm probably going to settle with white. The ribbon cable here is broken, so I have a new one here and I'll be replacing its LEDs. As you can see, the LEDs are white and working nicely, and the Joy-Cons get recognized even though I haven't configured their color yet. However, I have something to say. These shells are horrible. I had to trim a lot of plastic just to get them to work. Even after I got them to work, I can't fully tighten this screw here, or else the ZL button stops working. If I don't fully tighten it, the minus button is a bit wonky. It does press down and it works every time, but it's not as snappy as the plus button here. Also, I had to replace this button too, because if I left the default one, when I closed the shell and tightened the screw even partially, it would stop clicking. So I had to replace the button with a clickier one, which is harder to press, probably doesn't work too well for fast-paced games. Also, one last detail, they grind against the switch, and whenever you have to slot them in or out, you have to hold the switch. So do not buy these shells. I will put the link in the description so that you do not buy them. Just the fact they're selling these is... I don't even know if I should give them a second chance. I was forgetting one last detail. So my desk has gotten a bit messy and I really apologize for that, but you know what's not messy? B-roll. So my channel has just got to 300 subscribers. We're almost all the way to 500. I hope to get to 500 by the end of the year and to 1,000 by June next year. And thank you all so much for your support. I really appreciate your comments. Speaking of, if you want, let me know what you think of the job that I've done. If you have any better AliExpress shells that I can buy. If you have tried any shells that you know that will work, maybe in these colors, because I really need these colors. I want to give this another shot maybe. I don't know if I'll make a video on that, but you know, I just want to make up to it. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Please, if you liked the video, leave a like and consider subscribing. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you're happy.